Hello friends, welcome to GsmMeta. In this video I'm going to show you how we can activate TSM tool. So first we have to open this website tsm-tool.com, and after loading we have to click on this side button of menu. After clicking on that we have to click on this sign up, and later we have to insert here the email address, the email address which you will use to log in into this tool. So fill up all the details here, the email and password, and a random 8-character password, and again confirmation of that password. Later type here the username, any unique username, then your WhatsApp number or Telegram number, and your contact number with country code and your country name. So I have selected here the India. Now we have to click on this create an account. So after clicking you can see it is loading, and I am logged in. My account has been created and you can see the join date and balance. So now we have to purchase the activation. For that I have opened this GsmMeta.com website. Click on the shop button here and search the TSM tool. TSM. Here is the list showing all the plans available with the price in INR. And if you want to buy in USD, you can click on the INR button to change price into the USD. So click on this order button to activate it for 1 year for one PC. Now insert here the email address which we have used to register into the TSM tool. So this is my email address, and now click on the. So I have clicked on the place order, and order placed successfully. Now we have to click on view order here, and in the recent orders history here you can see the activation is in process, and total order history is showing here. Your input details, like you have inserted what's your email address and how much email you have paid, and in the right side you can see the refresh button. When you click on refresh, it will refresh the order status. And here is the history of my account where I have purchased other tool like EMT rents. And if you want to add any funds wallet, then you can click on the add funds and it will open this page. Now let's come back to the recent orders. Here you can see my account has been activated. The order result is showing that my account is active. I can use it. For confirmation, let's go back to the TSM official website. The expiration date is not showing, so let's refresh the page. After refresh, you can see the expiration date, which is showing when my account get expired, and the joining date when I have registered for the TSM tool. Now in the left sidebar, go to the download button to download the tool, and the page is opening. Remove the notification pop-up. We have the two TSM tool setups. So first one is of 200 MB and second one is of 32 megabytes. So I am selecting the second one with 32 megabyte and clicking on the media file link. Now click on the download button. Let's save it to my PC, and you can see within few seconds it will get downloaded. So wait for few seconds. Now the tool has been downloaded. I am directly opening it from zip. I am providing all the permissions. You might see the black screen. That is when the Windows asked me for the permission. I have installed the tool. Now we have to again provide the permission and the login it by our credential, which login it by our ID password which we have entered during the registration. So the tool is opening. Now insert here the email and the password. This is my email. Wait a second. Yes, this is the correct, and this is the my password. So I have login and tool has opened successfully. Here you can see the expiration date, your account information. Thanks for watching.